Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm taking you on an epic shopping journey across Bangkok. In this video, I'm taking you to 5 of the city's most iconic malls, each offering a unique vibe and shopping experience you can only find here in Thailand. Get ready to explore the worldwide themes of Terminal 21, the luxury of Siam Paragon, the innovation at Siam Discovery, the retro charm of MBK, and the breathtaking riverside views of ICONSIAM. From high-end fashion to quirky finds, these malls have it all. So let's go explore the best Bangkok has to offer. Welcome to the Bangkok Big Five. Okay, here's our first mall. Let's go check it out. Alright, first up is Terminal 21. Get ready to step into a mall unlike any other. This place is a global journey packed into 7 stories, each floor designed after a different world city. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted with a huge airport-style arrival board, setting the stage for an international adventure. From the romantic streets of Paris to the bustling night markets of Istanbul, every level feels like you've just hopped off a plane into a new destination. So let's go check out what makes this place such a unique shopping paradise. Before I continue on, I should tell you this. There are over 200 malls in the Bangkok area, but the 5 malls in this video are all in the heart of Bangkok, close together, accessible by SkyTrain or by tuk-tuk. So now that we're clear, let's continue on with the tour. Next, we're heading to Siam Paragon, the ultimate destination for luxury and lifestyle right in the heart of Bangkok. This mall is all about elegance and high-end shopping, where every floor is lined with designer boutiques, gourmet restaurants, and even luxury car showrooms. Beyond fashion, it's also home to one of the largest aquariums in Southeast Asia and a cutting-edge IMAX cinema theater. Whether you're here for world-class brands, a taste of gourmet cuisine, or just to soak up the luxurious vibe, Siam Paragon truly lives up to its reputation as Bangkok's premier mall. Now let's switch it up at Siam Discovery, where shopping meets innovation and creativity. Okay, now let's cross over to Siam Discovery. This isn't your typical mall. It's designed as a lifestyle lab, blending art, tech, and shopping in one super stylish space. Each floor feels like you're walking through curated collections, with zones dedicated to fashion, home decor, tech, and even eco-friendly products. Plus, the layout here encourages you to explore and interact with everything, making it a totally immersive experience. Siam Discovery isn't just a place to shop, it's a place to be inspired. So let's go and see what makes this mall so refreshingly unique.
All right, the next mall is the MBK, the infamous MBK.
Now we're off to MBK Center, one of Bangkok's most iconic and beloved shopping spots. This place is a total contrast to the high-end malls. It's vibrant, bustling, and filled with endless bargains. Known for its market-style vibe, MBK is the go-to spot for affordable fashion, electronics, and souvenirs. Here, you'll find rows and rows of stalls with everything from trendy clothes to unique Thai crafts and gadgets. It's the kind of place where you can haggle a bit, score some great deals, and really dive into the local shopping culture.
There's so many things you can find here at MBK. Anything you want.
And finally, we're saving the best for last. ICONSIAM, Bangkok's most spectacular riverside mall. This place is a true masterpiece, blending luxury with traditional Thai culture and jaw-dropping architecture. ICONSIAM is massive, with stunning views of the Chao Phraya River and floors filled with top designer brands, art installations, and even a floating market-inspired food zone. It's more than just a mall. It's a cultural landmark where old meets the new in unforgettable style. From high-end fashion to unique souvenirs, ICONSIAM offers an experience you won't find anywhere else. So let's soak in the beauty and explore this must-see destination. As I was exploring ICONSIAM, I caught a live TV broadcast of Thailand's TikTok Awards. It seems that none of my videos were nominated, but hey, what the heck. One step at a time, I'm going to focus on YouTube. And with that being said, thanks for coming along on this shopping adventure across Bangkok. I hope you enjoyed exploring these incredible malls with me. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. And remember, wherever you are and wherever you go, go with the flow.